Hello viewers, in this video I will show you that how you can apply password into Microsoft Word file. As you can see that already I have opened a Microsoft Word file, and in this file I can set a password to open this, so it will be very secure. First of all, you have to go to the file, then click to save as, then choose the location from here. I'm choosing the location downloads, then give the file name test docs. So I have selected the file saving location and the file name. Then from here now I have to click on the tools. From tools I have to click on the general option. Look at very carefully, because here you are giving that you will get the two options. One is to open password and the password to modify. We will set password to open, so we will not going to there. Here I am giving the password to open the file. I have to reconfirm this password to open. Okay, so password applied. Now I am close this file. Okay, see that I have closed this file. Now I am going to downloads. So it was the file where I saved test docs password. You see that without password you can't open this file now, so I am giving the password. Really it's working. So you can set or apply the password in this way into your Word file. Thank you for the video.